What if the world's oceans were replaced by a thick, breathable atmosphere? An intriguing proposition indeed. It's a scenario that would transform Earth as we know it, bringing about changes on a scale that's almost impossible to comprehend. Picture this, the vast blue seas that cover over 70% of our planet's surface, suddenly vanishing, replaced by an immense expanse of breathable air. The immediate transformation of marine ecosystems would be nothing short of dramatic. Imagine whales and sharks, those colossal denizens of the deep, evolving at a breakneck pace to survive in this new environment or perishing in the attempt. Meanwhile, the ocean floor, once hidden under miles of water, would become a new frontier for human exploration and settlement. Underwater mountains, valleys, and perhaps even remnants of ancient submerged civilizations would be revealed. The opportunities for discovery would be boundless. Yet this transformation would not be without its perils. The removal of oceans would drastically alter Earth's climate. Our oceans play a vital role in temperature regulation, weather patterns, and carbon dioxide absorption. Without them, we could expect unpredictable and potentially catastrophic changes to our climate. For humanity, this new world would offer both challenges and opportunities. Vast expanses of new land would become available, potentially easing overpopulation, but this would also pose new challenges in terms of colonization, resource distribution, and environmental conservation. This brave new world could rewrite human history, offering unprecedented insights into past civilizations and driving technological advancements in fields such as transportation, construction, and environmental engineering. But what of life itself? The transition from water to air would necessitate rapid evolution, potentially giving rise to entirely new species. Even humans might need to adapt, both culturally and physiologically, to explore and inhabit these once hostile deep-sea landscapes. This radical transformation would also raise profound ethical and philosophical questions. What would be our responsibility towards this radically altered planet? How would we preserve the remnants of marine life and the new ecosystems that emerge? And what would this tell us about our own existence, our place in the universe, and our capacity to adapt to and interact with drastic environmental changes? This what-if scenario is more than just a flight of fancy. It's a thought experiment that encourages us to contemplate real-world issues such as environmental conservation, the impact of human expansion, and the resilience of life in the face of change. It's a blend of science fiction, speculative biology, and philosophical exploration, offering a captivating and thought-provoking journey into the realm of the possible. So, the next time you gaze out at the ocean, let your mind wander. Imagine a world where the seas are replaced by air, where marine life evolves to survive in a new environment, and where the ocean floor becomes the next frontier for human exploration and settlement. It's a world that's both daunting and exciting, a world that challenges us to think, to adapt, and to imagine.